President Janata Dal United Manipur Unit and ex-minister KSH Biren has appealed to the national president of Janata Dal United, Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, to address the prolonged conflict in Manipur for the last more than 1 year. In a press release issued by the JDU Manipur unit, it stated that during the personal meeting convening congratulations to Nitish Kumar on the success of 12 candidates of the party at the recent election to Lok Sabha, he requested him to use his good office to approach the Prime Minister to resolve the crisis in the state so that normalcy is restored at the earliest. Nitish Kumar assured Shri Biren, saying that he would take all possible steps, including meeting Prime Minister, for the restoration of peace and normalcy in Manipur. The statement further said that JDU Manipur unit will be submitting a memorandum to Prime Minister through Nitish Kumar, Chief Minister of Bihar, for resolving the crisis in Manipur just after the swearing ceremony of the new union cabinet. The party will be sending a number of project proposals for creation of new infrastructure projects like new railway lines, flyovers, roads, etc. for the speedy development of the state. Further, a proposal for reconstruction of the homes of displaced people who have lost everything will also be sent to the union government. The party also extends its gratitude to all the people of Manipur for the support, it added.